Hi friends! I hope you all went and got your activity bags today. There's a lot of different activities that you could do with help from somebody. And there's also some things that you could just look at and play with in there. And it's all about farm animals because we got the book Little Blue Truck. So this is a fun book. It has stickers in it and it also goes with the activities that were in your new bag. So I'm going to read the book for you today. Little Blue Truck. And it's written by Alice Schertle. In the front we have some really neat stickers. So much fun. Let's see. Beep, beep. Here comes Blue. He's a friendly little truck with a big rig pluck. In the fall, leaves turn red, orange, and yellow, but Blue is always blue. Can you make Blue his own special color? The leaves are starting to fall off the trees. Count how many leaves are still on the tree and how many are on the ground. Wow, look at all the leaves in the tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves on the ground. The fall festival is coming up and Blue needs to deliver some pumpkins to the mayor. Can you help him find his way to the city? Wow, look, you can drive the truck through. He has to stay on the street in all the open spots until he gets all the way to the city. When Blue goes to the city, he sees lots of cars and trucks. Can you circle all of the yellow cars? How many can you find? How many green cars do you see? Where is Blue? Look through the cars. Find the colors. The mayor is hosting a pumpkin decorating contest and all the pumpkins Blue delivered. You can make fancy pumpkins too. Draw the face or a special design. Blue is driving the mayor in the Fall Festival Parade, and he needs to wear a fancy banner. Use your stickers and some crayons to help Blue decorate his banner and make it special. Wow, you can use the stickers in the front and add colors to it. And there's Blue. That's the mayor. On the way back to the city, Little Blue picks up his animal friends. They make lots of noise. Use your stickers to show what sound each animal makes. Wow! Look at that. What animal is that? Cow? Cow says moo. And there's, what's that? Frog, yep, a frog, ribbit, ribbit. Look at all these animals over here. I see a duck, a horse, a goat, and a chicken, and a little chick. Here's more animals. Blue and his friends are off to the orchard. They want ripe autumn apples for apple pies. There are red apples, green apples, and yellow ones too. Blue thinks crisp green apples make the best pies. Help Blue by circling all the green apples you can see. Wow, look, through all the trees. There's different color apples. See them all? How many green ones do you see? Good job, you can count them. Apple pie, pumpkin pie, two of the best things about fall. Look at all the different pies. Can you find two that are the same? Wow, you can match the pies. Fall is harvest time on the farm. Blue is loading up his truck bed with yummy fall foods to deliver to the farmer's market. Use your stickers to help fill Blue with apples, pumpkins, squash, and corn. Sorry for the loud noise. What yummy foods Blue and his friends found at the farm? Can you help them pick the fruits and vegetables that they gathered? Oops, add them up. Oh no, on the way back from the farmer's market, it starts to rain. There's the dump truck, stuck in the mud. Help little Blue and his friends find their way to the middle of the maze. There are so many things Blue loves about fall. Look, this one has words. See the letters? It has words in it, but we can at least find the letters and look at them. Yeah. P, U, M, P, K, I, N, S. Pumpkins. Wow, now draw the picture of yourself enjoying a favorite fall activity. Look, it's a page just for coloring in a book. Wow, that's super neat. Blue and his friends are going to decorate the barn for a costume party. Use your stickers to help them get the barn ready. Look at the barn. You can decorate it pretty. What animal is inside? Is that sheep? Now that the barn is ready for the party, it's time to get dressed up. Blue needs a costume. What should he be? Use your imagination. Wow, you can dress up Blue. All of Blue's friends put their costumes on too. Can you guess what they are? Look at all their costumes. They're all dressed up. I like dressing up. It's so much fun. Look, he has on a hat. He has on a hat and an outfit. What a fun day this has been. But now it's time for little Blue to head home and let his engine rest. Can you help him find his way home? Wow, you can follow all the lines. The end. Thank you, friends, for reading the book with me. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you later.